Everyone, and welcome to another month of our card group. This month we're going to be using In the Pines bundle, and here's the host code to use. And to place your order, go to www.lisab.stampinup.net. And here is the stamp set, and there are framelits to match that. So you have until the 10th of the month to place your order. And remember, if you have a $50 order, you will get something special. It could be a product, it could be cards, it could be about anything that you would get in your package. Like I said, you have until the 10th of the month to place your order. It does not have to be this bundle, but this is just the bundle that I'm going to be using for the cards this month. And by the 15th, you will get the video, and I will mail the cards out on the 20th. Hopefully you would join us. I just got this set. I have been having so much fun with it. It is such a neat set where the dies will cut out and you can see through them to actually outlining the trees. So again, this is the November card group, and you have until the 10th to place your to place your order. And be sure and use this host code, because if you don't use this host code, you don't get in for the cards. So hopefully you'll join us this month. You are going to love the cards. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.